a brand new unboxing. This is something that I've eagerly been waiting for. It's volume 8 of Death Note. As I've said before, it's one of my favorite mangas. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. Well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time for an up close look at our brand new Death Note manga. Here on the cover we have Mellow there in the middle. And here we have the binding there. And the back. Well, I'm just gonna slip the jacket off. Here we have one of the inside covers. And the other. I'm gonna put this to the side. And here we have the cover without the jacket. And the back there. And well, let's open this up. Here we have the characters, as well as a little synopsis of what's previously happened. And then here we have the table of contents. You guys tell me, who is your favorite character in Death Note? Tell me down in the comments below. And guys, make sure to stay tuned because soon we're going to be doing reviews of the Death Note manga and anime, as well as a comparison. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course guys, if you like this collection. If you like Death Note, make sure to leave a like down below. Here we have all of the social networks, so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of that of Editorial Freya, which is the company that published Death Note here. Here are some of the other mangas that they publish. And then in the back, we have the how to read manga section. And well guys, that's the end of that. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.